I got this goofy little voice changer thing. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't even have a speaker in it. Comes with a nice little hard case and a bunch of cables. Why would you listen to it with headphones? Another thing it's good for is recording into games that you're trying to record a game, and you can put little sound effects in it, but so you can make little sound effects in your game.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Or there's different ones. There's a kiss. And they ruined the crow. Listen. What's the boing boing part for? I don't know. But you can change your voice, which is kind of nice. I don't even know what these ones are for.
Open. 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 Shift to C major.
Told you. And there's different voices you can use. This is supposed to be a DJ voice. I don't know how different it is from my voice, but that's what it is. Studio voice. Cartoon voice? I don't know. Doesn't sound like any cartoon. I don't sound like can't think of any cartoon. I don't sound like Bugs Bunny. Nah. What's up, Doc? No. So anyway, it just doesn't do what I want it to do. It's supposed to change your voice. Say male to female. Lolita. No, I'm supposed to sound like a good girl. But it's not very realistic. You ever hear a girl that sounds like this? I don't think so. It's about $30, but I can get a sound machine or a soundboard on my phone. The premium version is $3 and something, so I did that. Doesn't really change my voice, but I can add sound effects. I guess if I want to do that, I'm gonna have to get a real synthesizer type thing and hook it up. Or this little thing. I bought this at a garage sale for $1 a couple of years ago. Has all kinds of things. Has a fart noise. Oh, you're not the fart noise. I hope not. And somebody's screaming. If you're in a bad neighborhood, you can get. And it has a lot of the same sound effects as the other one too. And taking off fast. Stuff like that. And some people don't approve. See a pretty girl. You know. Boing boing. Sound like an arrow? Yeah, that's how I feel about it. But anyway, this is not worth $30, but it's too late because I got my fingernail prints in it from trying to push these buttons. There's a echo thing and different thing. Female to male. Here's a. It's supposed to make you sound like a king. Do I sound like a king? Whoop. I accidentally turned it off. Do I sound like a king? I don't know. Here he goes. King should sound like he's a little bit more threatening or something. I don't know. This is fine tuning. Has a lighter on the outside, but it just uses up the battery. Kinda cool looking. So, anyway, that's what it looks like.
Let's see what we got going here. This is supposed to be the King voice. All I'm trying to do is try out this little voice changer, noise maker doodly. Not real happy with the crow. I wanted to use that in the cornfield, but it's just boring. Listen. What's with the boing boing? Those don't go boing boing. Why do they use this little dollar thing I got? See, I'm in a bad neighborhood, so I usually hear it. Well, that's not even on that thing. It's on my little $1 thing. Got a garage sale. Not that kind of deal. Those little X's. I don't like those little X's. Should be able to drive wherever I want. Let's see, where's the thing? Right behind here? Ooh, cool car. I don't know what we got going on here, but I have a real nice microphone in the back, but I'm using this little sound effect lately, so it isn't working very well. What'd you do? Where's the button to roll the windows down? Ew. Dog farts. Is Purina putting beans in the dog food nowadays? I think they are. What's this place up here? All that. Okay, red light, here's business. Shouldn't it be green light? Come on, red light. Make it green. Make it green. Good boy. Good dog. There's a place to get some rest at my destination, 'cause I don't like driving in the dark all night. Get irritates the heck out of the other drivers, but that's okay. Not always happy with them either.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What? Like we got some come. You know what's the worst is when you get one of those way station things you have to pull in. When your truck is all beat up from some mishap you had, and they give you, hey, your truck is not in perfect technical condition. Well, I drove here, didn't I? Well,